looking to ditch the bulk and keep it sleek. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 men's wallets for minimalists, combining style, function, and simplicity. Stick around to find the perfect wallet for your everyday carry. And if you enjoy discovering top-notch products, hit that like button and subscribe for more daily recommendations. Number 1. Travac's Original 2.0 Wallet. If you want something that can handle a rugged adventure, look no further than the Travac's Original 2.0 wallet. The main component's construction is stainless steel and aluminum. They're extraordinarily durable and look sleek too. The two panels are held together using a thick paracord, which you can tighten or loosen based on what you've got stowed inside. The paracord is the weakest link in this wallet since it's made of such durable materials. However, we haven't had issues with it breaking. Plus, if it does, it's easily replaceable. While testing this wallet, we noticed that the plates can be noisy against metal credit cards and when they touch each other. If you're sensitive to particular noises, the sound of the two metals hitting each other might hurt your brain. If you know, you know. If not, don't worry about it. Number 2. Bellroy Card Pocket. The transition to a minimalist wallet can sometimes be difficult, primarily if you've never used something smaller. However, if your new wallet feels similar to your old one, it can make the change easier. The Bellroy Card Pocket is crafted from leather, so it feels like your old wallet, but it comes in a small package with thoughtful internal organization. This model has a zippered YKK closure, which hasn't failed in testing, but sometimes gets stuck. Once you've made it inside, the liner is made from polyester, and there are a few places to stow your gear. There's a card pocket for your cards and folded-up cash, a coin sleeve for change, a spot to hold a SIM card, and some wiggle room in the middle for extras. For such a small minimalist wallet, this thing packs a punch. If you're looking for something more weather-resistant, you can opt for Bellroy's all-conditions version of the card pocket. In our experience, it works similarly but takes up more space and isn't as malleable. The Bellroy Card Pocket feels like the perfect middle ground for those just searching for the best minimalist wallet. It has a lot of the details and organization you'd expect from a standard model, but the size of something more streamlined. Number 3. Slim Fold Original Soft Shell. If you're looking for a lightweight minimalist wallet with room for a ton of cards and cash, look no further than the Slim Fold Original Soft Shell. The material is a mixture of Gore-Tex and Kevlar, so it's no slouch in terms of durability and water resistance. In our experience, the material is hard to get used to as a wallet due to how thin it is, but once you do, it's hard to look back. At the time of writing, the original soft shell comes in charcoal, black, and navy with a few unique stitching options, so you can get a sleek colorway to fit into your packing list. There are 11 card slots in this wallet. No, you heard us right, 11. This defeats the need to stack cards and makes finding what you're looking for easier on the first go. That said, when open, this wallet has a large footprint, which can be challenging to manage with one hand. Snagging a card on the other side can be tricky, but it isn't impossible. Everything is laid out in an organized fashion, but it is pretty big. Number 4. Garzini Essential Magic Wallet. The Garzini Essential Magic Wallet looks like a standard wallet, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve. It's crafted from sleek leather and offers RFID protection, so you can feel safe carrying your cards in public no matter where you're traveling. The wallet has a unique folding design that enables you to store up to 10 cards and slot some cash inside, too, without feeling bulky. There's a learning curve to figure out how to use the folding mechanism properly. However, once you figure it out, it's easy to use and fun to play with. We find ourselves fidgeting with it absent-mindedly while waiting for a cue to move forward. There's no ID window, which feels like a miss for a wallet that looks like this. After all, part of the appeal is that it looks like a classic leather model. That said, just because it seems like a classic billfold doesn't mean it has to have all the features of one. If that were true, we wouldn't have the magic features that made us try this thing in the first place. Number 5. Nomadic Wallet. If simplicity is the goal, look no further than the Nomadic Wallet for your next minimalist wallet choice. The primary material used in its construction is elastic. However, there are leather and polyester accents. The design is simple. There's a slider for cards, which you can pull out quickly with a pull tag, and a small pocket for cash or other little items like a key or fob. The leather accent is attached to the pull tag, so you can get your cards out quickly without fiddling around. Considering there are just 2 places to stow gear, you can't get a much more minimal than this. In our experience testing this wallet for nearly a year, the material has retained most of its stretchiness. It has started showing signs of wearing out. However, it's still usable. It just isn't as tight when you've got less stowed inside. The simple design takes some getting used to, but once you've gone this basic, it's hard to go back. If you're looking for an option that stretches to fit what you've got, this is the best minimalist wallet for you.